Spencer, we need help. My bike's broken. We need a rebuild. Moto day, moto day, moto day. We're at Abbott Motocross Park. It's 3:30. They close at 4. They said we could ride late. We got here late, so we're still gonna send it. Of course, got Mel over here trying to learn on the KLX 110. Good job. Look at her go. Spencer's out there ripping. We're gonna hit the track, have some fun, and hopefully have a nice, safe day. Yeah, your bike may get a little hot today. Oh, one kick? Just some air, start moving. We'll take little doubles, not do any triples for a couple laps. I always like to get warmed up, make sure I'm doing good, feeling comfortable with the bike. Woo! Low front end high. It's all good. See, that's why we get used to the track, you know. We got someone down. Uh-oh. On a 2-stroke. Looks like he hurt his hand. He's walking. That's good. I gotta find a couple of my friends. I'm all alone. I gotta connect on the Sena. Hold on. Oh, hey, Joey's over here on the vintage track. That's a good one to get warmed up on, probably. Hey, buddy!
I already...
You went down?
Yeah. I landed on the finish line, jumped completely sideways.
Are you okay?
I think so. Do I smoke my head on the ground? Like, really?
At least you're okay.
You like... Kind of. I don't know what that is. But some dude just broke his collarbone on the jump right before that. What?
Yeah, that little double. I saw him. It looked like his hand, but yeah, that makes sense because he's holding his arm.
It was like literally jutting out, dude.
Ugh. Yeah. This is all overgrown now. They need to mow it out here. I do know that they're short on help, so thank you, buddy, for letting me go. Wow. Hit my brake on accident. No, that ruined my whole rhythm. Let's go back and do that again. Ah, more, Derek. Come on, judge it better. Oh, that was so freaking dirty. Yes, got that section. All right, on to the next one. Oh, no. Okay. It's a swamp. I was gonna cut through. Did not realize this is a swamp. Good call. All right. Let's see if we can back this thing out here. Oh my God. I feel like moto tripping. I gotta name this bike. We've been through a lot, bike. No. Well, this is embarrassing. Oh yeah. Just keep riding. I'm fine. Man, this thing runs like crap. Oh, I need a water. Nice. Perfect. Good job, dude. I'm about to throw up. My cardio is terrible. Oh, came up short. All right, now that we got that practice one out the way, we can hit it again. Now we know what to do. It's been a while. My bike powered out there for a second, but still made it. Vince getting it? Yo, we got Apache helicopters. That's so cool. America. There you go, spin. Woo! Kicking it out on that one on accident. Part of my engine braking is still new to me. Oh, it's tape dispenser. Look at you showing off. Nice goggles.
Como changbangdeo. They're actually like shockingly comfortable.
They are nice. Oh, that was nice. Woo, about ate it. I want to make that. I'm going to do it. I see the first one a lot smoother. And I think I can keep my speed. Oh yeah, I can do that, dude. I'm scared, Joey. It's not easy when Spencer doesn't make it look easy first. Well, that may be like the hardest you could actually case it. I don't know about the hardest, but I cased it pretty good. Am I running out of gas? No. I don't have gas. It's running really weird, that's not good. Do the big jump. Oh, jeez. Oh, God. That was a close one. Oh, okay, well, I don't think my camera was recording, but it was like frozen. So anyway, we went out and hit the big jump a few more times. I felt the bike getting a little hot. It was running weird. Long story short, I hit the face of the jump. Bike locked up. I'm pretty sure I just blew the engine, at least the top end. I got it into neutral, so that's good. Maybe the gears are going to be saved. Bottom end should be fine, hopefully, man. But yep, pistons fried instantly. So it's my fault, really. I put in some stupid conventional oil. I forgot oil. I got it at the gas station. Never a good idea. I mixed it pretty well, apparently. I mean, I thought I did, but that sucks. And he was recording on, I think, on his phone. So I'm pretty sure I'll have a phone video of the bike locking up. So I'll show you that right now. But this thing is done for a while. Walk of shame. Rest in peace. Spencer, we need help. My bike's broken. We need a rebuild. Man, I about wrecked too when that happened. That was really close. It locked up in midair on me. Once again, you find yourself in these situations. And it had to happen on the farthest part of the track from where we parked. Oh, jeez. I'm tired. Oh, I broke it even more. This day just gets better. Second phone in like a month. Man, my luck, dude. I'm ending this video. Sorry, it's on a bad note, but let's get out of here. Need some water. Need to get this thing rebuilt. All right. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe. Till next time. Peace. I'm not as slow as I once was. I'm as slow once as I am.
Connected.